My name is Paul Grove. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Summit Audio. I'm going to talk about the 2BA221 mic and line module. Now this is a microphone preamp and line module, so you can run mic in, line in, or even high Z in. And one of the interesting things is you can actually run the high Z in and the mic in at the same time and blend them together. This has a completely variable vacuum tube output on it, so you can actually dial in as much of the tube sound as you want. You don't have to have a constant tube. You can vary as much of the tube all the way to very, very deep tube sound on it. There are multiple outputs and inputs on the back, all of which can be used at the same time. For example, you can go plug your microphone into this. There's a +4 and -10 dB tube output, which you can use at the same time. There is the stacking output, which is a solid state output, and there's also an insert, so you can insert a compressor or EQ in here, or you can even use that as another output. Extremely versatile. They're showed together side by side in an SRK 100 rack. You can mount 1 or 2 units at the same time in these racks, or any of the half-rack Summit Audio products. The microphone preamp and line preamp on this product is a solid state, and then there's a vacuum tube output so that you can vary on it. Also on the mic preamp is completely variable microphone input impedance. This is a very unusual control, so you can completely control how high your impedance is. Generally speaking, you keep the impedance quite high. You can roll down the impedance to change the sound of your microphone. By having one microphone attached to this, by changing the impedance and changing the vacuum tube output, you can get a huge variation in the number of tones you can get with a single microphone. There's also a 20 dB pad, polarity switching, and a high-pass filter which you can turn on and off and vary where the knee frequency is for that. 48-volt phantom power for any condenser mics. Absolutely beautiful sounding, extremely variable. There's a 3-year warranty on the product, standard IEC computer cable, high voltage power supply, very easy to integrate into your studio with all the different I/O on the back panel. This is a absolutely fantastic sounding product, and we've been very happy with it.